Let's find out how to get verified on Twitter. In the last few years, Twitter have changed the way to get verified, so if you want to know how to get verified and get the blue checkmark next to your name, then make sure to watch the entire video. We will show you how to do it in just a few steps. The first step is to open up your Twitter app and make sure you are logged in. If you are, you will get to your Twitter feed. From here, click the top left corner where you see your Twitter account's profile picture. It will open up this menu where you will need to click the premium category. In here you have the option to pay for getting either a basic, premium or premium plus subscription. If you buy the premium option, you can see under the verification and security section that you will get the checkmark next to your name. And that is also the case for the premium plus option, which you can see also gets you verified. The basic option unfortunately don't give you the blue checkmark next to your name. So that is how you get verified on Twitter. Make sure to leave a comment if it helped you with your problem, and be sure to check the other relevant videos on the screen as well. Thanks for watching.